Hello students, I am Rahul Pandey and today I will continue the third part of the video, the glimpses of India. So dear students, today our fourth heading is Raja Ram Mohan Rai in the chapter number 3, the glimpses of the past India. So in the fourth we will read about the opinion and work and thought of our great freedom fighters, which name was Raja Ram Mohan Roy, 1772 to 1833. Ram Mohan Roy, a learned man from Bengal, understood that what was wrong with the country. So, dear students, as we know very well that Raja Ram Mohan Roy was very learned man and he lived in Bengal, okay, and he knew very well that what is going on right, what is going on wrong in the country at that time. So, let us not despise ourselves. Our ancient culture is great and we are capable of greater achievements. We must first reform our society. Superstitions have been ruining us. So, Raja Ram Mohan Roy requested to all the people of our country, India, that first of all we should not hate each other, okay, and we should have respect for our ancient culture because it is a very great culture of our country, India, and we are capable of greater achievements. Raja Ram Mohan Roy said that means we can achieve the great target, the big target in our life. All right. So we must first reform our society. He said that first of all we will have to reform our society, then we can reform, improve the condition of our country, India, and superstitions have been ruining us. Raja Ram Mohan Roy told that the one thing is the big issue that is destroying our country, India, and that is superstition. So we should not believe in superstitions first of all, and we should believe in God in our work. Okay, he told his wife Uma. One day, Raja Ram Mohan Roy said his wife Uma that cows are of different colors, but the color of their milk is the same. Different teachers have different opinions, but the essence of every religion is the same. He gave a very perfect example, okay, to his wife Uma, that you know very well that cows are found in different colors in our country, India, okay, black, red, white, brown, okay, whatever color cows are found. But do you know that one thing is combined among all the cows, means the color of the cow milk is the same, means white. As the same way we have, we are human beings, okay, and we belong to different kinds of caste, religion, tradition, culture, civilization, okay, language, color, but the color of the blood of each and every person is the same. At the same way, the cows gives milk and the color of the cow's milk is white. Okay, that is why we should not have the feeling of discrimination with any other men or persons. Raja Ram Mohan Roy told us that the opinions regarding religion should be same. Okay, god is one, god is one, so religion should be one. He was attracted by science and modern knowledge, and Raja Ram Mohan Roy was greatly affected with the science and Western techniques of our country, India. And he used to say that knowledge should be practical and scientific. Okay, knowledge should be practical and scientific. That is why whenever we will have the practical knowledge, so in that case we can do our work, we can understood to any other person very well. So knowledge should be scientific and should be based on modern knowledge, because with the ancient knowledge the modern knowledge is also very necessary. He crossed the seas and went to England to see what made the British powerful. There he told them. And one day Raja Ram Mohan Roy went England, all right, crossing the seas. And whenever Raja Ram Mohan Roy reached England after crossing the sea in the abroad, so he observed there that what made the British powerful. There he told them. He observed each and every activities, moments, life skill, life achievements, living ways of the English person, of the Britishers, and he found out a real conclusion that what is the reason that British are flourishing day by day and our country India is not flourishing. Okay, it is demoralizing. Why it is happening? Whenever he returned from England, he told the reality. Okay, he told the reality. He said that we accept you as rulers and you must accept us as subject. Okay, Raja Ram Mohan Roy talked with English person that as we accept you, that you are our king, okay, you are our ruler, so at the same way you will have to adopt us like your pupils, like your kingdoms, like your subjects. Okay, after that things will be equal. That is why he understood it to Britishers, and he also said that but you will have to keep memorize, you will have to learn that means the great responsibility of any ruler should be always to keep the attention of their people every day very well. What kinds of lackings the peoples, the subjects are facing, the king should be aware with each and everything. That is why he said that means he started newspaper, but the suspicious British stopped them in 1823. And whenever Raja Ram Mohan Roy observed this reality, so he thought that I will publish this reality in the newspaper, and by the help of the newspaper the people of our country India will know the reality about it and they will try their best. But do you know, students, what happened? The Britishers stopped Raja Ram Mohan Roy in 1823 and they discarded the proposal of printing the newspaper by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. That is why Raja Ram Mohan Roy became very depressed, but he continued his attempts, his efforts by the other way. So dear students, it is the end of this video, and in this video I explained fourth heading about Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and in the next class I will explain the next number fifth video. So till then, keep learning and keep practicing. Have a nice day.